Andrew Cooper here, Advice for Living Financial Planning in Diamond Creek. I just wanted to do a quick update before Christmas and to give you a bit of a review of what's been going on. Obviously, the last month or so, certainly October, was not great. In fact, probably a very poor month where there was a major correction in the share markets. But since then, markets seem to have settled a little bit. Whether or not we've reached the bottom, I'm not sure. But markets do seem to have settled a little bit, although I do expect that they will be volatile for the foreseeable future because there's a number of uncertainties in the market. Firstly, of course, there's the British trying to extract themselves from Europe. And that agreement at this stage is not looking good, so it'll be interesting to see what happens there, but that is creating some uncertainty. Also in the US, we've got the double issue of rising interest rates. Now, their interest rates are not high, but they're getting high enough that people who have shares, and many of the American share prices were sort of overdone a little bit. Those people are selling out, which has helped to drive down share prices, and they're taking up the government bond offers, which is paying maybe 3.5%. So there's that issue, and then of course there's the problem with the Chinese, the trade war that Mr. Trump has started with the Chinese, and what that's causing obviously some uncertainty in the market. Whether or not they'll bring the Chinese to the negotiating table, difficult to say at this stage. But for the moment, I'm expecting the market to remain fairly stable. There'll be probably a little bit more volatility than normal, but I'm not expecting another major correction, certainly in the foreseeable future. Some other issues on a more business-related issue is that those of you who are our clients would have had a letter from us about our change of back office. Now that starts on Friday of next week, the 7th of December. We'll move to our new dealer group. Now, for those of you who are clients, it doesn't mean any change for you. Again, everything stays the same. We're still in the same office. Phone number's still the same, we're still here, everything is the same. It's just we've got different people at the back end supporting us. So no need to do anything, but we're looking forward to a better relationship. There's some things at Australian Unity that were concerning us, and so we're happy with the new group. And the final thing is we'll be taking a short break over Christmas. We'll be finishing on the 21st of December, and we'll be back again on the 14th of January in 2019. So this will probably be our last video unless something happens before Christmas. So a big thank you to our clients for this year, for continuing to support us, and best wishes to everyone for a wonderful Christmas and a great 2019. And we hope to see you next year.